See Standard 10th Max Chapter 5 Creative Questions for Centum Scorers. It's part 3. See, the first sum in part 2 I have already given for you, but it's not clear, so I repeated this one in part 3 also. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are A is 2, 1, B is 4, 3 and C is 2, 5. So the answer for this is 1 square unit. The same model I have done for you in part 2. So you can go through that. See, next question is find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD whose vertices are A is 3 minus 1, B is 9 minus 5 and C is 14, 0 and D is 9, 19. The answer for this question is 132 square units. See, just you plot the points in the xy plane and then find the answer. You will get this answer positive value. Then second question, quadrilateral PQRS. P is given QRS. Answer for this question is 28 square units. Next question, same. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D is given. Answer for this question is 28 square units. Then the next question, quadrilateral ABCD. A is minus 7, 5 and B is minus 6, minus 7. C is minus 3, minus 8 and D is 2, 3. Answer for this question is 72 square units. Then next is quadrilateral ABCD. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D is given. Answer is 72 square units. See, nearly 5 sums are given for finding the quadrilateral area of the quadrilateral. Just you practice. See, the next question is find the area of the parallelogram ABCD if 3 of its vertices are given as A is 2, 4. Just you draw the parallelogram. Vertex A is 2, 4 and vertex B is 2 plus root 3, 5 and C is 2, 6. See, parallelogram, find the area of the parallelogram. See, you know the quadrilateral only. Finding the area of the quadrilateral, we need 4 vertices, but only 3 vertices are given. So, when the quadrilateral is said to be a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. And also, one more concept, in the parallelogram, if you draw the diagonal, the parallelogram is divided into 2 equal triangles. So, the 3 vertices for one triangle is given for you. Triangle ABC. So, that area is same as the triangle ACD also. So, first find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. That is half triangle, half. So write the formula xy, xy, xy. 3xy minus xy plus xy plus xy. Already I mentioned you this formula. First one is 1, 2. Then next is 2, 3. Next is 3, 1. So just 1, 2 here, you interchange the value 2, 1. 2, 3 here, 3, 2. Then 3, 1 here, so just write 1, 3. Now substitute the formula. Take this as x1, y1. This as x2, y2. And this as x3, y3. So half x1 is 2 into 5 plus x2 is 2 plus root 3 into y3 is here 6 plus x3 is 2 into y1 is 4 minus, let me write here, x2 is 2 plus root 3 into y1 is 4 plus x3 is 2 into y2 is 5 plus x1 is 2 into y3 is here 6 for you. y3 is 6. So multiply the values. Half, 2 5s are 10, 6 2s are 12 plus 6 root 3, 4 2s are 8 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 4 into root 3, 4 root 3, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. So half, just you add the numbers here, whole numbers. 10 plus 12 is 22, 22 plus 8 is 30 plus 6 root 3 minus here 10 plus 2, 22, 22 plus 8 is 30 plus 4 root 3, 4 root 3. So this is half. You can remove the bracket. 30 plus 6 root 3 multiply with minus sign, minus 30 minus 4 root 3. So half, 30 minus 30 0. 6 root 3 minus 4 root 3 is 2 root 3. So multiply this, 2 cancel, you will get root 3 square units. So this we have just got the area of triangle ABC, but the question you have to find the area of the parallelogram ABCD. So area of the parallelogram, area of the parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC and also area of triangle ACD. But these two areas are equal. So let me just write 2 times. 2 times. So 2 times area of triangle ABC. So 2 times area of triangle ABC is root 3. So 2 root 3 square units. This is the answer. See the sum. If A is 4 minus 6, B is 3 minus 2 and C is 5 2 are the vertices of a triangle ABC and AD is its median. Prove that the median AD divides the triangle ABC into two triangles of equal area. See the sum also I already given you in part 2. So this is different coordinates. You can also try the sums. See 4 minus 6. A is 4 minus 6 and B is, B is 3 minus 2 and C is here given 5 2. See they mentioned AD is its median. So how do you get median? D is the midpoint of BC, the line joining A and AD. D as the median. So first you have to get the midpoint D. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here this is x1 for you and y1, x2, y2. So x1 is 3 plus x2 is 5 by 2. Y1 is minus 2 plus y2 is 2 by 2. So you will get D is 8 by 2, 0 by 2. That is D is 8 by 2 is 4 comma 0. So you have to mention the formula here. So this D point is 4 comma 0. So the bigger triangle ABC is divided into two triangles. One is triangle ABD and another triangle is triangle ACD. ACD. So find the area of these two triangles and show that area of this triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. So that is the proof we are supposed to show. That would be enough for you. See the sum. A is 61, B 82, C 94 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. See ABCD. See, but here only three vertices values are given. 61 and AB is 82 and C is 94. See, for getting area of the parallelogram, we need the four vertices. So, for getting the D vertices, they given E is the midpoint of DC they given. E is the find area of triangle ADE given. So you have to find this. E is the midpoint actually. Simply they given E is the midpoint, they are not the mention the coordinate, and also we don't know the coordinate of D also. See, let me take the coordinate of D as xy. So first you have to you are supposed to find the area of triangle ADE. ADE, smaller triangle. So first you have to get E because two vertices here unknown values. See, in one property of the parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So in this case, the midpoint of DC is equal to midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. So the midpoint of DC is same as the midpoint of AB. So I can find the midpoint of AB here. So formula here. So write the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 6 plus 8 by 2, 1 plus 2 by 2. 1 plus 2 by 2. So 6 plus 8 is 14 by 2, then 3 by 2. This is 7 and 3 by 2. So this is the midpoint of DC. So midpoint of DC, that is same as our E coordinate. See, this is our E coordinate. Now we got the midpoint of CD also. But D is unknown here. So midpoint of DC is equal to E, that is 7 comma 3 by 2. So what is midpoint of DC? Here C is 94 and D is x comma y. C is 94 and D is x comma y. So So one time I mentioned the formula, so you need not again write the formula. Just write this is x1 y1. So 9 plus x by 2 and then 4 plus y by 2. This is equal to 7 comma 3 by 2. So 9 plus x by 2 is equal to 7. 4 plus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So cross multiply. 9 plus x is equal to 14. So x is 14 by minus 9. So x equal to 5. Here this denominator you can cancel. So 4 plus y is equal to 3. So y equal to 3 minus 4 and y is equal to minus 1. So we got the value of x and y. So the coordinate of D is 5, comma minus 1. See the vertex A is here. A is 6, 1. The vertex A is 6, 1. And the vertex D is 5 minus 1. The vertex E, it is the midpoint of CD, 7, comma 3 by 2. So from these three vertices, you find the area of triangle ADE. ADE. So that is the question. You will get the answer as 3 by 4 square units. Square units. You can do this sum. So you just revise, go through that. You can practice these sums. Thank you, girls.